Hello everyone, welcome back to my space. Today I'm showing you how I made one of my all-time favorite chicken pie. It's flaky, buttery, and the filling so creamy and delicious. So grab your apron, let's make this magic together. If this is the first time coming across my video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. Let's get started. Alright, we're starting with the filling. So you want to clean your carrots, your Irish potatoes, and chop them up nicely together with your onions and your spring onions. So let me know in the comments if you add green peas or sweet corn to yours. I'd love to know how you make yours. I'll be reading your comments, so keep them coming. On this video, I'm also going to let you know how many minutes you need to bake, what you need to do after the first timing, and every necessary information you need to know about a crunchy chicken pie or a soft chicken pie. And yes, we are done cleaning and chopping our carrots, potato, onions, and spring onions. So this is what we have. I'll go ahead to grate the pound vegetable oil and stir fry my chicken. Once it starts to cook through, I'll take it out and shred it into smaller pieces. Now in that same pan, I'll add more oil and throw in my onions. Let that sizzle for a bit. Then in goes the potatoes and the carrots. That part always smelled so good. Time to season. I'm using curry thyme, seasoning cube, and a pinch of pepper. You can totally make it your own here. Spice it up how you like it. And then you add water and cover to cook. Now you're cooking because of the potato and the carrot. Now this is our shredded chicken. You can wear your glove, shred it, or you use a fork or knife. Now at this point, the Irish potato and carrots are ready. Now the chicken goes back in. So go ahead to mix our thickener. Here I use corn flour, but you can use corn flour, regular flour, mix it with water. Now back to our filling. You're going to add your spring onions, stir it in, you add your thickener, stir that in, and turn off your heat. Let it cool before you make use of it. Now let's go to our dough. Let's go and make our dough. Now we're making use of just two ingredients, your flour and your butter. No egg added to this very recipe because we want it soft, not crunchy. You'd want to rub the butter in until it looks like a breadcrumb, and then we're making use of cold water. You'd want to rub it in until it looks like breadcrumb, just as you can see, and then you add your water slowly, bits by bits. At this point I'm already adding water, so add the water slowly, bits by bits. Hey my love, if you watched till this point, it means you're enjoying it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thank you, I appreciate you. So at this point I had to knead it in gently until it formed a soft ball, and then you cover, put in the fridge and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes before making use of it. So keep watching on how we assembled everything we've made. Now comes the fun parts, putting everything together. So you roll out your dough, not too thick, not too thin, and cut it into your preferred shape. I did not make use of a cutter, I just wanted to do something free, so I made use of my pizza cutter and my fork. So you cut it into your desired shape and you add your fillings. Then you can use your egg to seal it up and your fork as well. So sometimes I like to poke a few holes on top too, but on this I did not do it. Now don't forget to brush the top with your egg for that beautiful golden shine. So keep watching. So there's something you would want to note after baking for 30 minutes. Keep watching. Now go ahead to bake in your preheated oven. Now the first timing was 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I went in to rub egg on top of it. Now after that, I put it back and I baked. I used a total of 50 minutes to bake this chicken pie. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.